Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss when your favorite accounts upload to Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable upload notifications for Instagram, so you're always the first to know when new content drops. This guide is updated for the latest version, and the steps are super simple. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all your app permissions and notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Next, scroll through your apps until you find Instagram. Tap on the Instagram icon to open its settings. Here you'll see a variety of options related to the app, but what we're looking for is notifications. Go ahead and tap on Notifications. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see several notification categories that you can customize. Look for the option that says Notification Categories. This is where you can get specific about which types of alerts you want to receive from Instagram. Now in the notification categories, find the option labeled Uploads. This is the key setting that controls whether you get notified when uploads happen on Instagram. If the toggle next to Uploads is off, simply tap it to turn it on. Once it's switched on, you'll start receiving notifications every time there's a new upload from the accounts you follow or have set alerts for, and that's it. You've successfully enabled upload notifications for Instagram. From now on, you won't miss out on any new posts.